This is a Maxitrak Jubilee locomotive made from a kit. It's based on the Sentinel diesel shunters that were built in the 1950s and 60s. It's battery powered, and the battery's in the riding car. It's completely standard except it's got a sound system, working headlights, and it's been weathered to look a bit more realistic. Just plugging in the battery and the sound system starts. We've put on 3 large bags of ballast to give her a bit of a load for the load test. It's roughly equivalent to 2 adults riding the train, or 2 adults and a child. Now, just as a guide, you can see I've got to give it a fair old pull to get to 10 kilograms. I can just about hold that. And you can get some idea of the kind of slope. Total train weight, 3 bags of ballast, 23 kilograms each. The battery goes to 10 kilograms. And the wagon's 19.7 kilograms. That gives us a total load, including the driver, 160 kilograms. At its steepest point, the gradient here is about 1 in 40, and the engine would pull about twice this amount if it was on level track.